Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this Space Squirrel and Grow a Garden Fall Market update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could buy this Space Squirrel Pet from the Fall Festival Pet Shop right here. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 1 billion shekels. I forgot, but the price is around 1 billion shekels. And then now let's see the ability of this pad. So I'm gonna place this pad on my garden. Okay, and I'm going to click on view. Okay, and it's a defined pad, guys. And basically this pad can give your plants full touched mutation. And yeah, I think it's really good. And it's worth buying because it's a rare. If you have a lot of shekels, I recommend you to buy this pet so you can get the full touched mutation from the Space Squirrel. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.